So here we are today, going to change the cabin filters in a 2005 Hyundai Getz, and the filters are located in here behind the glove box. So we pop the glove box down and we see there are two clips, one on either side, and we just poke those little clips out and then lower the glove box. Okay, so the clip's out now and the glove box just lays down, and now in behind here we can see that we got the blower motor. And then this little cover here is where the filter is located behind. We've got a fresh air recirc cable going across there, so we just pop that out of the clip and pop it out of the cover. That'll allow that to swing out of the way, and then we just lower the cable. And to get this cover out, there is a little tab up the top that you press down, and then just wriggle the cover out, and here are our filters now. And it looks like these filters have been put in upside down, and I'll show you what I mean in a moment. So they just slide out, see all the rubbish in there. And see how the top of this filter has a raised ridge? Well, that is supposed to be upside down, and the slotted channel is the one that goes to the top. And the reason for this is that up in top here, not sure whether you can see it, but there's a little ridge that locks into the channel and allows it to slide in, and you'll see the bottom one marries up with that as well. And pop the bottom filter out. So the filters are out. Just check inside the evaporator core area that there's no leaves and stuff. If there is, then blow them outers and put them back in. So we're going to put them in with the slotted channel at the top here. So that's our bottom filter. Pop that into the guide, and we've got our slotted top, and it'll then slide in. Case of sliding the cover back on.